Click on the link below to get price. The 40-foot double-story flat-pack house, with bathroom and kitchen, is a marvel of modern housing innovation. Designed for convenience, durability, and aesthetics, this foldable tiny home offers a versatile living solution that can be easily transported and assembled. Its double-story design maximizes space, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a compact yet spacious living environment. The house is constructed with galvanized steel frames and fireproof, waterproof sandwich panels, ensuring long-lasting durability and safety. The design includes customizable layouts, allowing owners to tailor the interior to their specific needs. Whether it's a cozy one-room setup or a more elaborate three-room arrangement, the possibilities are endless. One of the standout features of this flat-pack house is its energy efficiency. The advanced insulation with fireproof glass wool roofing provides superior temperature control, making it an eco-friendly choice for sustainable living. Additionally, the house is designed for easy assembly, which means it can be quickly set up at any location without the need for extensive construction work. The foldable nature of the house makes it a perfect option for those who need a portable living solution. Whether you're setting up a camping retreat, a backyard guest house, or a recreational property, this flat-pack house offers unparalleled flexibility. Its portability also means that it can be relocated as needed, offering a dynamic housing option for those who prefer a nomadic lifestyle. The double-story design not only provides ample living space, but also allows for creative interior design. The upper floor can be used as a bedroom or workspace, while the lower floor can accommodate a kitchen, bathroom, and living area. This separation of spaces ensures privacy and functionality, making it a practical choice for both living and working environments. In terms of aesthetics, the 40-foot double-story flat-pack house boasts a modern and sleek design that fits seamlessly into various settings. The minimalist exterior can be customized with different finishes to match the surroundings, while the interior can be decorated to reflect the owner's personal style. This combination of form and function makes it an attractive choice for those looking to invest in a stylish and practical housing solution. Overall, the 40-foot double-story flat-pack house with bathroom and kitchen is a testament to the advancements in modern housing technology. It offers a unique blend of portability, durability, and customization, making it a versatile option for a wide range of applications. Whether you're looking for a permanent residence, a temporary shelter, or a mobile workspace, this innovative housing solution has something to offer. What stands out the most? Portability. The foldable design allows for easy transportation and relocation, making it ideal for nomadic lifestyles or temporary setups. Customizability. The house offers flexible interior layouts that can be tailored to meet specific needs and preferences. Energy efficiency. Advanced insulation and fireproof glass wool roofing provide superior temperature control, making it an eco-friendly choice. Durability. Constructed with galvanized steel frames and fireproof, waterproof panels, this house is built to last. Quick assembly. The house can be easily assembled at any location without the need for extensive construction work. Versatility. Suitable for various applications, including recreational properties, camping retreats, and backyard guest houses. Aesthetics. Modern and sleek design with customizable finishes to match different settings. Technical specifications. Dimensions: 40-foot length, double-story. Materials: galvanized steel frames, fireproof and waterproof sandwich panels. Insulation: advanced insulation with fireproof glass wool roofing. Customizable layouts: 1 to 3 rooms, kitchen, bathroom, living area. Energy efficiency: superior temperature control. Assembly: quick and easy assembly at any location. Pros and cons. Pros: portable and easy to transport. Customizable layouts. Durable construction. Energy efficient design. Quick assembly. Versatile applications. Modern aesthetics. Cons: limited space compared to traditional homes. May require specialized transportation for relocation. Potential zoning restrictions in some areas. Where to buy? The 40-foot double-story flat-pack house with bathroom and kitchen can be purchased from various online retailers and specialized housing solution providers. It's available on popular e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, where you can find detailed product descriptions, customer reviews, and pricing information. Additionally, you can explore local distributors and manufacturers who specialize in prefabricated and modular homes. In summary, The 40-foot double-story flat-pack house with bathroom and kitchen is an innovative housing solution that offers portability, durability, and customization. Its foldable design and advanced construction materials make it a versatile option for various applications, from recreational properties to mobile workspaces. With its energy-efficient design and modern aesthetics, this tiny home provides a practical and stylish living environment. Whether you're looking for a permanent residence or a temporary setup, this flat-pack house offers a unique blend of form and function. Click on the link below to get price.